Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming essentials. Plug devices firmly and test basic sound outside Discord so you isolate the app. Next, open Discord settings, choose voice and video, and set the exact input and output devices you want. Once done, make sure system sound settings match Discord to avoid device conflicts. Also, turn off enhancements or exclusive mode in your OS. Those can take control of the audio stream. This first step prevents chasing phantom problems later. Now fine-tune the middle layer. You adjust input sensitivity or disable it and use push-to-talk to avoid background noise. If voices are muffled, change the sample rate to 48,000 Hz in your sound device properties because mismatched rates cause artifacts. Update or roll back audio drivers and restart the audio service to clear locked states. If latency or packet loss appears, toggle Discord's quality of service setting. Sometimes enabling helps, sometimes disabling avoids router conflicts. Test both. To finish, perform a test call and record a short clip so you can hear results objectively. If problems persist, switch to the web app or mobile app to determine whether the desktop client is the issue, and consider a clean reinstall if needed. Make sure to test on another network to rule out ISP or router issues. If nothing works, create a new voice channel or server. Sometimes corrupted channel settings or permissions cause strange audio behavior. That single troubleshooting tip often resolves lingering faults.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.